Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol OAS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, the downwards pressure remains on these energy stocks here, as it was yet another day of lower lows and lower highs. And really the best way to kind of show the selling pressure that remains in these stocks is, at least on this one, to get, and I get it, saying there's selling pressure, saying there's a downwards, trend. Those are just words, right? So that's why I love charts, though. They allow you to take words and then simplify or visualize them. And going forward, that red line right there essentially illustrates the downwards pressure that has shown up. I mean, there's been plenty of attempted bounces. The problem with each one of these bounces is that each bounce just keeps getting lower and lower in terms of how high it bounces, or in other words, lower highs. Now, does that mean that this thing's going back down to 50 cents? I'm not saying that. I'm just saying I would be very skeptical of talking about any sort of bullishness until the price can at least prove itself. And again, that brings about the question, okay, well, how is the price proving itself? By getting up above that red line and staying up above it. And I throw in the caveat of staying above it because right here you can see the price actually did get up above it. But that was very, very temporary. The price did not stay above it and right back down below. So that's the thing. In order to get a true break has two parts. The first part is the obvious one, of course. Well, yeah, you got to break above a certain level. But then you also have to be able to stay above it. So that's going to be the main dynamic to watch from the resistance side of things. As far as areas of support are concerned, first level of support to watch moving forward, going to be right here at the dollar mark. And if a dollar can't quite hold up, I'm not going to quite say the chart is destroyed, but I could definitely see things take, that much more momentum to the downside. And when I say downside, I mean next level of support, not until that pink line down there, which on my chart denotes the very well-known, the very famous 200-period moving average, which is currently valued at 75 cents, which is a pretty big drop from a dollar. So overall, those are going to be the main technical levels to watch going forward. So let's see how this one plays out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.